Hi everybody, this is your homework for tonight. It should be kind of fun. Well, I want you to find some stuffed animals that you have at your house. I'm sure you all have some. If you don't have stuffed animals, you can choose another toy that you like. I want you to pick between 8 and 10 items, maybe even up to 15, that you could sort out. However you sort them is fine. I chose stuffed animals. If you can see, I chose stuffed animals from our classroom. Then I looked at them and I decided they could be sorted by how they walk. Do they walk with no legs, like our friend here? Do they walk on 2 legs? Or these ones walk on 4 legs? And so I kind of laid them out according to whether or not they could walk on no legs, 2 legs, or 4 legs. You can choose anything you want to organize your stuffed animals. It could be based on the type of animal they are, it could be their size, it could be a color, it could be how they walk, it could be what they eat. You just decide. Once you have your stuffed animals or your toys organized, your job is then to turn that into a graph. And I'll show you my graph. My graph has a title of stuffed animals. Your graph should also have a title of stuffed animals if you chose that. Otherwise, if you chose a toy, you could put whatever toys that you're doing. Maybe it's your Barbies or maybe it's your action figures, but your title should tell us what it is that you sorted out. Then I took my stuffed animals and I wrote down, if you can see it up here, the bottom axis says how many legs do they walk on. And then I obviously had a couple choices. I had the choice of 0 way over there, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now obviously there weren't any that walked on 3 legs or there weren't any that walked on 1 leg over there. Then my vertical label is way over here, sorry, the number of stuffed animals that I did. And so when I organized my data, I noticed I had one animal that walked on no legs. Well, that was the whale. I didn't have any animals that walked on 1 leg. As far as animals that walk on 2 legs, I had 1, 2, 3. This is called a bar graph, by the way. I had 3 animals that walk on 2 legs. I didn't have any animals that walk on 3 legs. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 animals that walked on 4 legs. So that's how I organized my chart. I want you to collect your data from your stuffed animals or your toys and find a way, possibly, probably a bar graph, to show us what your data is. If this is a little tricky, I'm going to give you not just tonight, but also tomorrow night to work on your assignment. So this is not due until Thursday. So if you bring it in tomorrow, great. If you wait till Thursday, that's fine too. All right. Happy sorting, happy graphing, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.